What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to use Mold Armor. It says it's an easy house wash, kills mold and mildew down to the roots. We are going to use this on the deck, and we're going to use this on the siding. It's not much to this. It says directions for use, and of course it's a violation in federal law if you use this product. Basically, if you use this and not use it for what it's used for. So yeah, you want to abide by those laws. Of course, they saying that if you spray this around your plants, make sure you spray your plants with water. So this stuff must be very strong. And it says for stubborn stains, use a second coat. All right, so we are going to go ahead and use this. It just says spray on and wait 10 minutes. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did get this from Home Depot. It says spray on, wait 10 minutes, wash off. So some of these stains on my siding didn't come off. All right, you guys, so I have certain stains on here, as you can see, and I did hit it with the power wash. All right, it's not that bad. Actually, looks pretty well, decent. We're gonna see what it does to the deck. All right, so we do have, you see this dark spot, that could be power wash, but we are going to just spray that stuff on there, see what happens, and we'll go from there. So I am ready to clean this whole deck, wash it down. All right, you guys, if you haven't checked out my review of the Eden quick connects, you should go check that out. I love these things, especially if you're going to use the product that you bought a couple of times. You don't have to keep screwing and screwing and screwing. You could just use these quick connects and go from one water source to another. All right, you guys, as easy as that. Now I'm going to go ahead, use my quick connect, connect it on. It says clean, rinse, and then it says off. It has different nozzles right here for the different modes. So this is the off, this should be the rinse, and this should be the clean all the way over here. All right, you guys, so putting my gloves on, in which these are food grade gloves, so I suggest you wear yourself the proper gloves, your proper PPE. I just want to do this real quick and be done with it to see if this stuff works. And it says spray on, leave on for 10 minutes, and yeah, so we are going to especially spray spots down here. This is clearly an algae spot down here. This area, I already power washed this little area. I power washed this, but again, this is very hard to come off, so I will definitely hit that up. And yeah, enjoy. Put that. You guys, I am absolutely impressed right now. I suggest you get this. Y'all could just skip the video now and just go ahead to Home Depot and buy at least 3 bottles of this, depending on the size of your house. We didn't check the deck yet, so we'll let it have its 10-minute contact time, but y'all did see the specs on the siding, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't see the specs right now. This is insane. I'll catch y'all after the 10-minute contact time. All right, you guys, so the 10-minute contact time has happened, and I have to say that this stuff really works really good. But as you can see, nice and clean. But the floor here, it wouldn't clean up as much, so I did spray. I did the 10-minute contact time, and after that I tried to spray it off again, and the markings was still there. So what I did was use the power washer again and try to just power wash the best I could. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comment section. But if you use this product, definitely it gets rid of the algae and the mold that's on the siding of your house. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.